Learn how to match 8 phonics sounds. A through H.
Hippo. It's missing the h sound. Do you know which letter has the h sound?
Very good. Letter H is the missing phonics sound for hippo.
I. P. Hip. P. O. Po. Hippo. The baby hippo swims with mom. Flower. It's missing the f sound. Do you know which letter has the f sound?
Good job. Letter F is the missing phonics sound for flower.
Ah. W. Flower. The flowers are blooming. Dinosaur. It's missing the d sound. Do you know which letter has the d sound? Good job. D has the d sound for dinosaur. D. I. Die. N. O. Dino. S. Or. Dinosaur. Dinosaur. The dinosaur is riding a bike. Alligator. It's missing the a sound. Do you know which letter has the a sound? Very good. A has the a sound for alligator. L I L G A alligator or alligator alligator. The girl is riding on an alligator. Elephant. It's missing the sound. Do you know which letter has the sound? Very good. E has the sound, as in elephant, and the E sound comes from the throat. Very good. Ella, elephant, elephant, elephant. The baby elephant plays with the birds. Gate. It's missing the g sound. Do you know which letter has the g sound? Good job. G has the g sound, as in gate. G A T Gate. 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 He climbed over the gate. Cow. Cow. It is missing the k sound. Do you know which letter has the k sound? Good job. C has the k sound, as in cow. Ow. Ow. The cow is fat. Beautiful. It's missing the b sound. Do you know which letter has the b sound? Wonderful. You are right. B has the b sound, as in beautiful. B, E, U, B, U, T, I, B, U, T, F, U, beautiful. Beautiful. She has very beautiful eyes.
In order to get a free PDF worksheet to go with this video lesson, please subscribe and like this channel. Please send email request to learningmadeeasy2019@gmail.com.
Thank you for watching this video. Please come back for more easy to learn videos for children and students who are ESL English, LD, autistic, and special needs. If you know someone who wants to learn how to read, do read along aloud stories for KG through middle school, or learn phonics, then Learning Made Easy channel is for you. Please come back for weekly updates of new videos that are guaranteed to make learning super easy.
La, la.